The land that's beside the sea, with a sand dune pillow, my true love waits until just like the waves, the morning breaks. I remember that rock where I spoke to my love. It was flat like a table and smooth to the touch, with a little sprig of rosary here and there. The ground spared me a lily which I placed in her here, yeah. Picked by the shore, kicking it raw, singing raw, keeping out on the wall with hardcore on my mind. The sea soul giving me the rhymes, I redefine the true art corners of my time, singing a lot of Rapio makes me happy out. Swoopy boom, the heart cruising through. We start doing twos, the whole world we go banana. You'll be singing till Mariana to all Atlanta. Yeah, welcome to WMC, the Wales Millennium Centre. You here to see? Maybe Dirt and Dancing, or maybe us three, us four, us five up in the city. Yeah, this is Cardiff, the place that we roll, home of Doctor Who and the TARDIS, yo. So when I spit on the mic of freestyle, I hope you're having fun out here. Let's ride.
Yo, can I get the mic up, please?
Yo.
Ready?
We got more.
Can I get the mic up, please?
Mic's up a little bit.
Mic's up a little bit.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Ready? Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hardcore! So that was Millennium Beside the Sea.
Our own Welsh remix slash European slash
remix.
international slash everything.
Right. So we've got another tune now. This tune's highly energetic. Hold on to your hats. It's a very good one. We love it. It is a brilliant and unique blend. When you hear it, I hope you feel it as well. It is amazing. I love it so much so that I just love it. So here we go. Hardcore. This one's called Hush.
Hush, hush, time to be sleeping. Hush, hush, dreams come a-creeping. Dreams of peace and of freedom. Don't cry in your sleep, Bonnie Benny. Hush, hush, time to be sleeping. Hush, hush, dreams come a-dreams, come a-dreams of peace and of freedom. Don't cry in your sleep, Bonnie Benny.
And if the light's too bright, then please close the curtain. I spit upon the mic and hardcore, yeah, we're urban. We got the world singers up in the background. When I spit upon the mic, then we take it like a playground. Hope you're feeling us out here revealing these lyrics as we drop upon the mic and we drop it these. Just like He-Man, the master of the whole universe. My girls are so damn sick, they need to be nursed. So when stuff is up, I'm heading for the split a tight verse. I'm bringing prophecies, I'm bringing the curse. What words deadly, like 3 witches wishing the worst. Man, I'm abracadabra in people spitting this verse. Plus my words like a hex and leave a vision disturbed. Hardcore.
Thank you.
Yeah. So if you liked what you heard, you want to learn how to do some of this, or you can sing, or you can beatbox or rap, or think you would like to, come and join us up there. We'll be doing a workshop. Want to tell them more about it, Jay? So
yeah, as my man said, come and join us for the workshop just upstairs. Also, these guys, they get together every Saturday here at Wales Millennium Centre to rehearse. If there are any singers out there, beatboxers, MCs, who would like to be part of this choir, come and see me and I'll give you all the details on that one. But please come and join us for the workshop. Have a little taste, see if it's something you like, see if it's something you want to do. Thank you very much. One more time, please put your hands together. Hardcore!